Hello guys. Here are 50 ways to make your partner relate to you. Let's begin. Active listening, paying full attention, engaging in the conversation, and responding appropriately to show interest. Showing empathy, understanding and sharing in your partner's emotions, showing care and relating to their experiences. Open and honest communication, being transparent and genuine in your conversations, sharing thoughts and feelings openly. Respectful behavior, treating your partner with kindness, consideration, and courtesy, valuing their opinions and boundaries. Spending quality time together, allocating dedicated time to connect and engage in activities that promote closeness. Demonstrating affection and love, expressing care and love through physical touch, verbal expressions, and acts of kindness. Supporting their dreams and goals, encouraging and helping your partner pursue their aspirations. Being reliable and trustworthy, following through on commitments, being dependable, and maintaining trust. Showing appreciation and gratitude, recognizing and acknowledging your partner's contributions, expressing gratitude. Being attentive to their needs, being mindful of your partner's emotional, physical, and practical needs. Offering emotional support, providing a safe space for your partner to express emotions, offering comfort. Being understanding and patient, being tolerant and compassionate during difficult times. Resolving conflicts peacefully, engaging in healthy discussions to find solutions, practicing effective communication. Respecting their boundaries, honoring your partner's limits and preferences. Taking interest in their interests and hobbies, showing curiosity and engaging in activities they enjoy. Celebrating their achievements, recognizing and celebrating your partner's successes. Making compromises and finding common ground, being willing to find solutions that satisfy both partners. Demonstrating loyalty and commitment, staying faithful and devoted to your partner. Making them feel valued and important, showing that your partner holds a special place in your life. Being a good listener when they need to vent, providing a supportive listening ear. Engaging in shared activities and hobbies, participating in activities you both enjoy. Giving them personal space when needed, respecting your partner's need for solitude or independence. Being reliable and keeping promises, honoring your commitments and being dependable. Expressing love and affection through words and actions, verbalizing love and displaying affectionate gestures. Respecting their opinions and beliefs, acknowledging and accepting differing viewpoints. Respecting their individuality and autonomy, valuing your partner's unique qualities and allowing them to make their own choices. Being a source of encouragement and motivation, supporting your partner's personal growth and cheering them on in their endeavors. Practicing forgiveness and letting go of grudges, cultivating a forgiving attitude and releasing past resentments. Celebrating special occasions and milestones together, marking important moments in your partner's life and making them feel special. Showing trust and avoiding possessiveness, trusting your partner's loyalty and giving them space to be themselves. Keeping the romance alive through surprises and gestures, infusing your relationship with spontaneity and thoughtful acts of love. Having a sense of humor and playfulness, lightening the mood and sharing laughter together. Respecting their privacy and personal boundaries, allowing your partner the freedom to have their own space and privacy. Showing genuine interest in their thoughts and feelings, demonstrating curiosity and actively engaging in meaningful conversations. Being responsible for your actions and apologizing when necessary, taking accountability for mistakes and offering sincere apologies. honoring their dreams and aspirations, encouraging your partner to pursue their passions and supporting them along the way. Nurturing a sense of teamwork and cooperation, collaborating with your partner to achieve common goals. Cultivating an atmosphere of acceptance and non-judgment, embracing your partner for who they are without criticism or judgment. Engaging in open dialogue about desires, needs, and expectations, communicating openly about your wants and needs to ensure mutual understanding. Respecting their independence and autonomy, allowing your partner the freedom to make their own decisions and choices. Being flexible and adaptable in the relationship, adapting to changing circumstances and being open to compromise. Demonstrating commitment to personal growth and development, encouraging personal growth for both yourself and your partner. Fostering a sense of safety and trust, creating a secure environment where your partner feels safe to be vulnerable. Prioritizing their well-being and happiness, making your partner's happiness and well-being a top priority in your actions. Being a source of strength and support during challenging times, offering a shoulder to lean on and being there when your partner needs you most. Recognizing and celebrating your partner's unique qualities and strengths, appreciating the individuality and strengths your partner brings to the relationship. Expressing gratitude for your partner's presence in your life, showing appreciation for the positive impact your partner has on your life. Being an active participant in their growth and success, supporting your partner's aspirations and actively helping them achieve their goals. Sharing common values and aligning life goals, finding harmony in shared values and working towards compatible life goals. Encouraging your partner to take care of their physical and mental well-being, supporting healthy lifestyle choices and self-care practices.